Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to North Country Off Grid with another coffee chat. It's been a while, guys, but
it has been a while.
Coffee chat. We've been busy.
Yeah, we have been busy.
A lot of stuff going on.
All three kiddos are doing soccer, and Chad is coaching 2 of the teams, so it is
giving back to my community.
It's busy. It is constant go, go, go.
Yeah, we weren't planning on doing 2 teams. We certainly planned. I always try to coach 1 team every season because I like to coach basketball teams as well for one of the girls, so wasn't planning on it, but unfortunately there were no other parents stepping up to be coaches, so I had to get in there, make sure that my kids didn't fail. And actually with Callie's team, they were going to not have a team because there was no coach, so I had to step in and do it. So I get to coach both the girls' teams today, or this season.
Yeah, and then coincidentally enough, I've kind of become the soccer mom.
That's not a coincidence. I put you there every single time.
Yeah. I mean, like, I kind of help with making sure that the snack things are in place and everybody knows where to be, when to be, so it's just busy.
Just a good-looking soccer mom.
Aw, thanks, babe.
Guys, if you notice, it's like sweatshirt and jacket season already. We are getting cold nights and mornings, and then it's warming up pretty. It's like almost t-shirt weather during the day. But the other morning, you got up, and it was like 5 in the morning, and the water tank was on the back of the trailer, and it's got just a slight drip coming out. I need to seal up the threading, but it's just a slight drip, and it actually had a big old long icicle, and I looked at it, I'm like, oh man, we're in it. Winter's
coming.
We are in it.
Yep. Summer is over, but this is my favorite time of the year. I love seeing all of the colors change. I love that crisp, fresh air in the fall. I love all the fall cooking, sports. It's just a fun time of the year. I love summer and being out on the lake and stuff, but it gets hot. So fall's just my favorite.
Yeah. It's always nice. There's always this big rush when fall hits. When fall's here, it's like, okay, did you get enough firewood? You've got a little more time to get firewood, and then it'll get to raining every once in a while here quite a bit, and that's like when the wood out there gets wet and you should have put it up because now it's wet. And then after that, it's so cold it freezes, and then it's like, well, now you just froze all your wood. So it's pretty much that line in the sand time where I got to have all my firewood up. And we are going to cut some more this weekend.
Oh, good.
Yeah, and I think I got a buddy coming out to help. He said he wants to come out and chop some wood, and I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, whenever we have an opportunity to have someone come out and help, that's always huge and appreciated. So
absolutely. And I like chopping wood. If he'd have been like, hey man, I'll bring my chainsaw, come cut wood, I'd been like, heck yeah, because I enjoy chopping wood. But since that's what he wants to do, I'll let him do it.
Awesome.
What do we got? What do we got coming up? Big project. Well, I'll tell you the little projects we've got coming up, things that have to get done really soon and why. One, the gator's kind of on hold, guys, because I just have so much other stuff going on that like having something to just zip around on the farm is low priority to me. Although I want to do it, we have made some progress and I need to show you guys that. But John Deere parts are expensive, and so replacing stuff just to go run around on it right now, it's just low priority for me. So I need to get my chicken coop completely done and sealed in. You guys have not seen the guinea keats. I don't even know if they're guinea keats anymore because they're big.
Is that only their name when they're babies?
I think a guinea keat is a baby, and then they're just a guinea fowl or guinea hen.
Once they're grown ups.
Guinea bird. Yeah, when they're grown ups. And they're about grown ups. They're getting pretty big. They're not full grown, but they are big. And then our other chickens are ready to get out of that little box that I built them and get into the chicken coop. But the chicken coop, as you guys know, is not fully enclosed all the way to the top, and there's no door still. So I really need to come out one day and finish that, and I think I'll probably do that tomorrow. And I think we're going to use up a bunch of the rest of the cedar TNG that we used right here.
Oh, perfect.
I've been saving it, and I didn't want to use it. I don't know what I wanted to use it for, but I've been saving it. But unfortunately, it's been a year now, so I'm going to use it. So we're going to have a TNG chicken coop.
Awesome. I'm excited. I keep on telling Chad the one thing that I really miss about our old property is our chicken coop. It was really small, so it wouldn't necessarily fit our needs here. But I just miss having that hatch that you open up to have the eggs inside. And our chickens have not been laying anywhere where we can collect them. So
not a single one inside the chicken coop.
Every time I buy eggs at the store, I'm like, my chickens are failing me. But
we are failing. I failed our chickens.
Well, you tried something new and it didn't work out. It's
Yeah.
time to readjust that plan and get it fixed. So that will be exciting for me to see that get done. And then as you guys saw, Chad did a bunch of more clearing with the skid steer. So the next step is really Chad's going to be breaking ground on, well, you broke ground. So you're going to be starting your shop, which I'm super excited for the shop to be happening.
Yep, we'll be starting the shop. It's a big project. It's going to be a fun project. It's exciting because it adds a huge dynamic to the farm out here because it allows me to move so much stuff into a nice, safe, covered area, and then there's no more like putting all of my tools away and then bringing them back out. Everything just gets a home, and I can go in, start a fire, do my woodworking. And then also we're adding something a little new to you guys you don't know yet, but I have been searching all summer for blacksmithing tools.
Ooh, yeah.
And I have accumulated a few blacksmithing tools. I was just able to pick up 2 weekends ago, my forge, which is a big deal. I've been looking for anvils, I've been looking for forges, I've been looking for tongs, I've been looking for hammers to get started, and I have found some that are good deals. These are kind of expensive tools, and the whole getting set up with all the propers is very expensive. So I've been getting some good deals. So I'm still looking for an anvil. If you guys know anyone, if you know a guy who knows a guy, you guys hit me up, send us an email, let me know if we got to ship one in and it's a good deal, we'll do it. Unfortunately, anvils have skyrocketed in price and people want gold for them and it's ridiculous. So we're biding our time.
It'll come.
Yep, it'll find me.
It's exciting. Oh, another thing that's really exciting, I wish we had one to show you. It is on its way. But we did get our shirts ordered, so we'll leave a link down below. I think they turned out awesome.
Guys, not just shirts too. We got long sleeve shirts. We got sweatshirts. I guess those are all shirts. So just shirts, no pants.
T-shirts, long sleeve shirts, sweatshirts, and then also for kiddos. So
you get a few color options with each one as well. So you guys can go in and check it out. We'll provide a link right here in the description. Push that little down arrow, check it out. There'll be a link in there, you guys. And if you support our farm during the month of September in any way via Super Chat during the live feeds, a random donation. But if you're going to give us a donation, guys, buy a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Get a t-shirt out of the deal. And then, if you've sent us stuff, as you guys know, we're doing some silver stuff. We have been sent some silver. We're going to show you guys some of the things that we've got, do a little unboxing. So if you guys have donated to our farm, our channel, during the month of September, you are going in for one of 2 buck knives.
Woo.
You're either going to get this Cryptek. Cryptek's out of Idaho as well, guys. God bless Idaho. Cryptek buck knife, or you're going to get this hot pink camo mossy oak buck knife. And we're going to make it fun. You don't get a choice. You get to pick a number. If we draw your name, you get to pick a number. And so you'll get box 1, box 2, and you get what you get, and that'll be cool. So, or maybe, I don't know, maybe you get a pink knife. If you get a pink knife, just rock it. So guys, for every $1 that you donate, if you buy a sweatshirt, and I think the sweatshirts are 36 bucks.
Yeah.
So if you buy a sweatshirt for $36, your name goes in 36 times into the drawing. So to make it fair, I think that's fair.
Yeah.
And then if you guys send us silver, of course, we'll just give you the value of that silver at spot price, essentially. I think it's just the fairest way to do it.
Yeah, that's a good way too.
Anyway, and if you guys, sorry, and if you guys have already bought one, guys, we only see your screen names. We don't know what your real name is. So if you bought one, send us an email and say, hey, I'm Bob, screen names, bing, bing, boom. So that we know. Because we want you guys to be in the drawing, and we already know a few of you have bought some clothing from us.
Thanks, you guys.
But we don't know who you are because we don't know your names.
Well, I know first, and then it's last name initial. So it'll be easy to match you up with them.
All right, guys. So again, thanks in advance if you do, in fact, support our channel and get yourself a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a long sleeve shirt. And guys, it's getting cold out there. Get yourself a sweatshirt.
Yeah.
We're pretty excited about it.
They turned out super cute. You'll have to notice that on the back we have the pigs and the cutout of the pigs for the meat, and they've got the little waddles on there. So
yep,
they're super cute. I love the way that they turned out, and we hope that you guys enjoy them too. And we're excited to see you guys wearing them. So fun. So with our pigs, a little animal update for you guys. Pigs are all gone. All of Merlot's babies are all gone, so we've just got Scarlet left, and she's been so cute lately. She gets out of her new pen that she was moved into.
I can't keep her in. Guys, I for real cannot keep her in. I have done so much to pin her in, and I do not understand how she is physically getting out. And literally, I will put her in the pen, feed her, and then walk away, and 10 minutes later she just prances everywhere. It's so funny. She's like on a mission everywhere she goes by herself. She goes over and sees the goats, goes in and sees all the butcher pigs, then goes over where Mama's at and says hi to... It's ridiculous, and I physically can't keep her in. I think she just needs to get bigger.
She's just like the little princess of our farm, and she does what she wants. So
yeah.
I love it. I don't want anything to happen to her, so that's my main concern. But at the same time, whenever I'm walking around and then Scarlet just pops out, I'm like, Scarlet! So that's fun.
And the other morning, we wake up in the middle of the night because I heard her screaming outside, and I knew it was her instantly. And I was like, oh man, what is it? So I grab a flashlight and I run out there, and she was in between Ruby and OP, and they had rolled and pinned her just tight enough to where she couldn't get out. So she was stuck between the two, and she just had her head in the air screaming. And I had to shake the fence and rattle it, and they thought they were getting fed, so everyone like jumped out of the way, and it just unpinned her, and she was able to get out. But it was funny. She was cuddling with the 3 big pigs.
Yep. And then the butcher pigs are getting real big, except for the runt. That one's still staying small. And then Nala's babies, the twins, at the end of this video, I'm going to put in a little snippet of the cute little animals to end this video. So I will promise you guys that. But the twins they're big. They're so big. They're so cute still.
And their little horns started popping through.
Yep. They're so cute.
Very cute.
Yeah, that's all we have going on. But we have made the decision that this year we are going to do 4-H with the kiddos. As I say that, I'm remembering that I needed to make a phone call today. But we've decided that we're going to do that. So that means that we are for sure adding a steer to the family, if not multiples. So that will be coming soon. So
we'll probably just do one the first year. I think that'll be best. Well, we're going to do one 4-H cow. Who knows how many cows we actually put on this farm.
Right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that'll be an exciting addition. So still lots going on as normal. I'm really excited for Chad to install the pipe for my wood-burning cook stove. This winter I will be doing some how to cook off-grid or how I cook off-grid and some recipes. So I'm excited for all of that wood-burning cooking to be taking place here shortly.
Yeah, you guys make sure you're encouraging Shelby to cook a lot of bread. Tell her you want to see how bread is baked in her off-grid
Why bread?
Because I love bread. You need to cook me bread.
Okay, I'll cook you bread.
Alright guys, so that's a bit of an update of what's to come here in the next little bit as we get ready for fall. Again, it's busy, 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 and got a few projects to show you guys around the farm, a little more farm improvement and stuff, but we'll keep you guys up to date on all of that stuff, but we figured we'd get in here, get a coffee chat in, and just kind of give you a little what's next.
Yeah, and I wanted to jump in and say hi, because it's been a little while since I've been on one too, and I just appreciate all of you guys so much, and I love hearing from you. So hope y'all are doing well, and we'll see you soon. Hey, Scar. Hey, Scarlet.
Yeah.
What, Billy? Oh, Billy.